Today I will show you how to build an Android APK from your Google AI Studio code and install it on your phone. First, open your project inside Google AI Studio. Make sure everything is working the way you want. When you feel ready, go to the top right corner of the screen. You will see the Share button. Click on Share and wait for the panel to open. In that panel, you will see an option to copy the link to your app. Copy this link because we will need it for the next step. Now open a new browser tab. Search for the site called App My Web. When the site loads, look for the plus button to add a new app. Click on the plus button and you will see a small form appear. Type a name for your app. Then paste the link you copied earlier from Google AI Studio. After that, click Continue. The tool will begin generating your APK file. This may take a short moment. When the process is done, you will see a download button. Click Download and the APK file will save to your computer. Next, transfer the APK file to your Android phone. Once the file is on your phone, tap on it to install. Now your Google AI Studio app is installed like a normal Android app. Thanks for watching.